In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay expenses with owner funds in QuickBooks Online. When an owner pays a business expense out of pocket, you still want that cost to land in your books under the right expense category, and you want it clearly arced as paid with personal funds rather than your business bank. Here's a clean, repeatable way to do that right inside an expense form. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard and head to the Create menu. Hover over Create to open the full list of transaction types, then choose Expense. This opens the standard expense screen you'll use for vendor purchases. At the top, select your payee. This should be the vendor or person you actually paid, like a supplier or a service provider. If the payee isn't in your list yet, type the name and add it so future transactions stay consistent. Accurate payees make your vendor reports and 1099 preparation far easier later on. Next, choose the payment method. Since the owner covered this cost personally, pick a method that reflects that, such as personal funds, owner funds, or another option that makes it obvious it didn't come from the business bank. If you don't see a perfect match, select the closest choice you have for now. You can refine your payment method list later. The key is to avoid anything that suggests your business checking or credit card was used if it wasn't. Now move to the category details. In the category field, select the appropriate expense account, things like office supplies, software subscriptions, meals, or whatever best fits the purchase. This is what puts the cost on your profit and loss in the right bucket, so take a moment to choose carefully. If you're unsure, check your chart of accounts or align it with how you've categorized similar items before. Add a clear description. Briefly note what was purchased and why, so anyone reviewing the books understands the context. Helpful detail here can save time during reviews or tax prep. Enter the total amount of the expense. Include any applicable taxes and make sure it matches your receipt. If you keep digital copies, this is a good moment to attach the receipt so the documentation travels with the transaction. If this expense relates to a specific customer or job, choose that customer in the customer field. Assigning it now helps with job costing and customer level reporting. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. You've recorded the expense under the correct category and clearly noted that it was paid with owner funds, keeping your books accurate and audit ready.